Welcome back, Future Bone Millionaires. Today is September 25th, 2022, and we have some interesting things to get into today. But first, hit that like and smash that subscribe so that I can bring to you up-to-date bone and sheep ecosystem news daily. And with that being said, remember this is not financial advice. So let's get into this price action for today. We got bone Shiba swap sitting at 144, down 2%, 2.13%. Had shot up yesterday to up to 155. Had a big boost right there. We were sitting about this almost the same range yesterday, about 147 or so, 147, 148. Then had some good buys, went all the way up to 155, and now we're sitting back down to pretty much where we were 24 hours ago. So only down to 2.1% on the day. We got sheep over here 0.00001108, down 2.7%, so relatively more the same with that. Okay, so I want you to check out this article here by Crypto Ticker. It says Shiba Inu price is about to increase because of this indicator. It says the crypto market is still consolidating ever since reaching rock bottom back in June of 2022. Most cryptocurrencies are trying to reverse their trend and move higher, but none managed to break their resistance yet. Shiba Inu still needs a long shot to reverse its bearish trend. However, traders can make significant gains trading consolidation phases. This is because those price actions tend to be more predictable. Will Shiba Inu increase in price soon? Let's analyze in this Shiba Inu prediction article. So, says here, will Shiba Inu go up soon? If we look at the macro chart of SHIB, we can notice two phases. SHIB on a strong downtrend as the first phase, and SHIB in consolidation as the second phase. This means that currently prices are undecided and moving sideways between two price areas. In figure 1 below, we can clearly see these two phases. The upper and lower trend lines of the sideways are delimited by a low price of 0.00008 and 0.0018. SHIB prices are expected to rebound higher trend lines, but for now, prices seem to be bearish. This is in fact confirmed by overall sentiment in the crypto market, which is currently bearish. So for now, SHIB prices should continue downwards and reach a price of 0.00010. So I had just seen before I posted this video, we were actually at 0.00010 before we just shot back up to the 11. So they got a nice little chart for you here showing those two phases that they were talking about, and how we went in this big downtrend right here. You can see from this red line here, from when we had shot up earlier this year, and then right now this yellow band that they have, this range in between here, they're showing the two ranges that SHIB is basically undecided and going back and forth in. So has a share price prediction. So what are the targets of Shiba Inu? Now that we know the consolidation area of Shiba Inu, we expect SHIB to increase in prices as soon as the price of 0.0018 is breached higher. Once this happens, we expect by then that the overall crypto market is back on this bullish momentum. This means that most cryptos already broke their respective resistances. So if this happens, here we are. Here are the targets that Shiba Inu can reach. So they're saying here 4 zeros, 21, 25, and 30. So, you know, if you look at those prices that we have right here now, you look at these prices, we're at 11. Let me just click that update, see, make sure that that's up to date. Yep, 4 zeros, 1108. You look at that, we're talking about these price predictions here. You know, that could be a good gain for you. It says here, we can notice that SHIB price is not likely to increase overnight. In fact, those targets need at least 2 months, as she might continue lower toward the lower trend line in the short term. That's why it might be risky currently to open a long position in SHIB. So that's what they're talking about there. Yeah, so they're saying that it may take a couple months to reach these targets here that they're saying. Now remember, nobody can predict the market. Nobody can predict the future. They're saying this tomorrow night. This thing could shoot to the moon for all we know, and that's why you can't never go too hard off of these prediction articles. But overall, that might be something that you want to do your research on when we talk about these targets. But if these targets are correct, they're basically saying that as of the price right now, you could double or possibly even triple your income. I mean, this is not financial advice, but I mean, doubling and tripling your money. I mean, last time I heard, that's pretty good. Now, one thing I see in this article here that they're really not talking about, they're talking about just the overall market and just like almost a technical analysis of just the coin itself based off of more predictable market predictions, basically. But they're not really talking about any other huge catalyst that the whole SHIB ecosystem got lined up. This right here, these charts and stuff, and their predictions don't have anything to do with Shibarium, Shiba Eternity, the Metaverse. None of that stuff that they got going on is really even calculated in this article right here. So some of those catalysts come out, and you might see some big jumps, out of nowhere based off of that. So that's one thing to think about. On to the next article. Shiba Inu's Bone becomes most used smart contract amongst Ethereum whales. So check this out. Says one of Shiba Inu's ecosystem tokens, Bone, is currently trending among Ethereum whales who are using it for smart contracts. According to data from Whale Stats, Bone is the most used smart contract among the top 1,000 Ethereum whales. The new interest can be linked to the sudden rise of the token's value over the past week. Bone is one of the 3 major tokens in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The token has a total supply of 250 million and serves as the governance token for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. However, only 230 million of the tokens will be circulated because the Shiba Inu community voted to cap Bone farming at 230 million minted tokens. This decision was to keep the remaining 20 million for Shibarium validators. It says community interest shoots Bone value up. The token is currently trading for 147 after rising by about 20% in the past week. This is likely due to its recent listing on several exchanges such as MEXC Exchange, Bluebit, FCF Pay, and Switcher. Dex Tools also listed the token, which is currently trending as the #1 cryptocurrency on the platform as it trades against wrapped Ethereum. It is likely that other platforms will also list it with time as interest in it continues to grow. SHIB holders grow despite declining value. Hold on, I'm gonna stop right there because we'll talk about this Bone for a second. Says that these whales, these top Ethereum whales and whale wallets, said that Bone is the top token right now that these whales are interacting with their contracts, possibly making MetaMask accounts for Bone, setting up. You can see that on Whale Stats when you're checking these whales. So you got to pay attention to stuff like that in the market because a lot of times you got people that's got when we talk about whales, we're talking about like millions and millions of dollars worth of crypto that they own in these wallets. And so when you talk about people making moves, you got to pay attention to the ones that's actually been successful with getting all of that cash. So you look at these whales and you see them setting up to buy Bone, maybe that should tell you something. Maybe that tells you that token is something that's legit, that people with money believe that's going to make them money. So that's something to think about. As they say with these whales, something's in the water. So might want to read those tea leaves. All right, that's all I got for today. Hit that like and subscribe. The channel is growing. Let's continue to grow. Big thanks to everybody for hitting me up and subscribing. The people that we do have now, and spread that word out. Bone. One thing about this Bone token, I don't think it's going nowhere anytime soon. I'm gonna keep reporting on it and keep letting y'all know. Not a lot of people know about it yet, but we putting out the word. So, as always, have a nice day.